Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to disable autofill password in Google account. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are fairly new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on here to open my phone settings. And the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to users and accounts. That's going to take you right there. And the next thing you need to do is to click on autofill content Google. So click on the setting icon. It's going to take you right there. And the next thing you need to do is to simply turn off this particular button. And with that, you have disabled autofill content or your username and password on any particular website. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.